My name is George Allen, and I will be doing a more detailed presentation of our SmartChurch Premium product this afternoon. Some of the things we'll be looking at of this access via iPhones and Android phones, but also one of the things that many of church leadership and pastors has asked for is web access. We'll be talking about that further. And then in addition, administrative control, being able to edit, delete things, and also have control of followers. And then we are also adding a new feature, and that is an import list, of being able to import from a CSV file the list of your members right up into SmartChurch Premium. And then finally, and probably the greatest thing we want to look at is our Give feature. So let's get started. The web interface is, we have a web access now, so you can log in here, or you can sign up and have access to SmartChurch Premium via the computer. And so any user could log on here, as well as this is the place that you would come and log on if you have administrative access. You would do that via the web as well. So this is the web interface, what it looks like. And people that didn't have a smartphone, this is where they would come. Or people that do have a smartphone, but use their computer a lot and wanted to access SmartChurch from their computer, they can log on from the browser right here, smartchurch.biz. Okay, moving along. We're also providing you an extensive amount of administrative control. We're here on the church wall, and so anything that will be posted to the wall, you have the ability to edit or delete. So you can see that out to the right of each of the posts. If you delete it, of course, it's just going to go away. If you edit, I'll show you here. Basically, it brings up the content, and you can modify the content in any manner that you choose. Moving along to events. If you're taking a look at the events here, what we do is we give you the ability to edit or delete any events as well. Now, if you wanted to create an event, you can upload a picture with that particular event. Of course, you can put in the location information, the date and time, the website, ticket info, and any detailed description. One of the things that we do in SmartChurch is that with everything we try to provide you the ability to add more value by uploading a picture and being able to provide a detailed description of what that either that event or that giving need is. We're trying to give you that ability to do that. And this just shows the tickets, website, and where you would type in the detailed description. Moving along to the church profile, this is a sample profile for the SmartChurch Community Church. It's a demo site that we have, and just showing you here the information, contacts. You can put in your weekly services. But we also give you the ability via the administrative console to modify any of that detail. So you can modify the info, the contacts, weekly services. And this is just showing you a modification. You could upload a new picture. You can name the denomination, your contact information. And again, like I mentioned, upload a picture of or a logo. Some people like to just put a logo of their church out there. There's your contact information, address, that detail, and when your weekly services times are, and who your staff are. You could put up there as well on your church profile. This is one of the great features we've added, again, was asked by much church leadership, and that's the ability to manage the followers. So if somebody posted, say Aaron here in this case, Aaron posted something that was a little bit questionable. What you might do is block Aaron. You can see you have the ability to block Aaron, have a conversation with him, others, and then discern whether you want to give him ability to continue posting or remove him. So you can click on remove. As well, what we do is we give you the capability to make them members or staff. And so I'll show you that here. You just click on make member or click on staff, and it will make them that particular position. You can see Ari Allen here has been made a staff member. So visitors, when they come in, if they sign into SmartChurch and start communicating with your church membership, they would not have, of course, they wouldn't be a member of staff, so they would just be visitors, and so you would not have any particular detail out there. And again, I think I've provided in detail here. You can edit, you can block, or you can remove your particular church followers. This is a new feature that has been asked for as well, and that's the importing of followers. You have a list of your church membership, and what we do is we allow you to import it via CSV file. And it's a simple file, just a name, last name, email, and then you provide them a password to log in, and then ask them to change it after they have logged in. And then you can also make them a staff member or a member, or just leave it blank if they're visitors. You could just leave that particular category blank. And as well, we allow you to access each of the members' social media information as well as their email. You get that detail with each of the particular followers. This is where I really want to hit a little bit more in detail, and that's regarding the giving needs. You can see here we have 3 needs up: the pumpkin patch, the church building fund, and also the church scholarship fund. So just some simple needs there. Out to the right, you can see you can put a dollar amount in and just click on give, or again, you can click on manage, and you can go into the process of managing your giving needs. So you can create, edit, or you can archive your particular giving needs. That's the ability you have as an administrator. So if you wanted to create a new one, you might upload a photo associated with that, or a logo, and then give a detailed giving description, including the name, the need amount, the start date, and the expires on a detail as well. One of the unique features that we're giving you is we allow you to set the amount needed, and then SmartChurch displays that amount given. So you can see here, in the case of the pumpkin patch, the needed amount is $1,000, and at this point in time, the total raised is 0. So as people gave, it would reduce that amount and to 0, and then people could not give to that further. So we like that. That was something that some pastors recommended, and so you can set an amount, or you can set an unlimited amount. Once they click on give, it takes them to PayPal. That's what we use on the back end, and they can log in via PayPal and give that way, or they can click down below, pay with credit card or debit card, and they can put in their particular information and pay that way. So just in summary here, we are providing you both mobile access via iPhones, and we also provide web access to all your users, up to 1,000 users. And so that's good for people that maybe senior age that are not using smartphones, and they just want to access it via the web. Next, we provide you administrative control for up to 5 users, and so they would log on, just as I've shown here today, via the web, and they have that administrative control that I've discussed about editing and deleting, creating new things, changing, and things like that. And then the give feature is available both on the mobile and on the web. So they can give from anytime, anywhere via the phone, whether it be on vacation, traveling, doing whatever they're doing. They can give on the mobile, or as well, they can log on to the web and give. One of the great features that we have not seen any competition with this at all, and that is that the transaction cost is 30 cents per transaction plus 2.2%. And there's no monthly cost. And we've not heard anybody that has that kind of a rate with PayPal. So we're very excited about that, keeping your costs down and being able to capture more of the financial resources into your needs. And then as well, because of you've taken the time to view this presentation in detail, if you just mention the SmartChurch Premium Overview promotion, we'll give you 50% off of our annual cost of $480 or $240 for the year. And that is up front for that cost, but we give you that promotional cost of $240 a year. Again, my name is George Allen. There's my email and also my mobile phone. If you've got any questions, need any additional information, or as well, if you'd like to place an order for SmartChurch, you might have some questions regarding some of the difference between that and premium. Take a look at my YouTube channel. as well as my Google Plus, and that's GEO for SmartChurch. And I've posted a lot of information out there that will help you in the installation process as well as launching SmartChurch. So I look forward to hearing from you in the near future. If you've got any questions, again, contact me there on my email or my cell phone. Thank you, and for taking the time out of your busy schedule today. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.